So it's night, the light kind of bright, you can barely see me and thing. But I'm here with the 6th Scouts, I think that's how you pronounce the name. But right now we are walking along the coast area, the beach, looking at marine life. Yeah, and so far it's going kind of good. It looks kind of dead. A dead starfish. Well, this looks like a dead starfish. Yeah, no, this is also a kind of fishing trip, but I ain't gonna show you like the fishing. You know, all you can see are not so much in the bush this time. On a camping trip with CIC Scouts, you can check them out. They do some awesome things. CIC Scouts, check them out. Yeah, so we on the coast area. We identify some species and thing. Them doing their thing with recruits and whatnot and thing. But so I wouldn't be so loud on this trip. I'll be kind of quiet, kind of whispering and things. So yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I identify certain things. If you hear any talking and thing in the background, that is just the scouts and that. We also be doing some fishing. So I would show you the species that we identify, but I'm not so much showing you the actual fishing, because I'm all about identifying certain species and showing what kind of species we have in Trinidad and Tobago. A crab. I think that is a kind of mangrove crab. It's so small. It's very minute. I don't know how good this camera is picking it up, but this is a very small crab. Yes, just see this snail here. It's a marine snail, but you know, well, as the tide go out, they trapped here now. Yeah. Just so with it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Don't really know exactly what that is. I'm not so familiar with marine life, but it's awesome. Oh, look, another one. And it's very quick. One finger and they start off. Look how quick it's moving. Oh wow, another dead starfish. At least I think it is dead. Yep, it's dead. Don't know exactly what kind of starfish is it. This is a different kind of wildlife master video, vlog video. Marine life. Well, this is not a marine life, but out at sea. A centipede. This is cool. Right there under the water, right here. That's amazing. More of these crabs. More of these crabs. More of these crabs. Benji boss just catch a catfish. First fish, hardhead catfish. This species you can find out at sea and also in brackish water, in swamps and things. I think you ready to go yet? My sister just catch this fella. I'm not so sure what kind of snapper this is.
It's a lane snapper.
A lane snapper. The man said a lane snapper. So that's what this is. We've been catching a lot of catfish. We'd have these. Yeah. We see this queen conch. I think it's a juvenile queen conch. Well, it still have a good bit to grow. Nice. And next animal we spot for the night. We ain't going to bed until 3 in the morning or so.
Like 3?
Like 3, well, like see 3 in the morning or so. We'll be out here just looking, examining, catching, releasing species and things. I'm not sure what kind of fish this is, but it looks delicious. A little bit small. Not sure exactly which type. Ow, that fin. Reminds me of a crow a bit. But another species for the night.
2,000 years later.
I don't know if you could make it out. There's an anemone right there. Cool. Seeing so much life. Well, a good bit of life. Look. That is a fish. There. There is some baby fish. I don't know if I can make it out. A whole school of them trying to get a closer look. Cannot identify exactly what type they are. But yeah, now releasing them. See? this looks like a snail, but it's actually a hermit crab. This is one of, I don't know how much species of hermit crabs found in this country on the coastal areas. Just caught this crab, a very pretty crab. It's been moving fast on the beach. Yes, a nice crab. It'll be all along the rocks. Just got him to get a closer look at him. I'm gonna get a picture of him before I let him go his merry way. Just spot a hermit crab, a good sized one. Hold up, I'll take it out of the water so I can see it a bit better. See the claws. I'll turn on some light. Right. Claws. So Hannah, on this trip I didn't know how I was going to film the T&T Nature vlog, but once I was on the beach I started filming. And this video took around 3 days to film. And I didn't even have time to film everything we saw. But in all, it was fun. Now I'm not a trained biologist, so I don't know all the names of the creatures, the creatures and plants that was seen in the video. But if you know, put it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and I hope you enjoyed the usual pictures. So, I'm the Wildlife Master, and until next time, peace out.